Welcome to my Psycho Forex trading channel. We are covering in this video some interesting aspect of stream trading that normally any traders will find in any financial market from time to time. In this video, we will take in consideration the range trading and starting from the definition of it. So, what is the trend range trading? Okay, so price cannot create a new high and new low. Price running between support and resistance, not in impulsive wave or not in correction wave. So we will move on some practical example on how to spot it different time frames and how to trade in it. So here is the example. Market is going up. So here is the market in the range. If market break below this structure, then and the retracement, that means it's going to the downside. And if breaks above this structure, break above this structure, retest the structure, support, resistance, then it is going further upside. Okay, so here I will show you the real example which is in the USD CHF daily time frame. So this is weekly level of resistance and support. No make a high, no low make a low. So market is in the range of daily and weekly range. Okay. Now here is the example range inside of the range. Market here market is range inside of the range. So here is the setup for a long market as you can see going upside to retest this resistance area, going down, retest support area, going up, resistance, support, smaller range. Here is the smaller range, going down a bit up, support, going down, up, retest the support. Here is the resistance breakout happen. So that's mean what is the next target. Here is the weekly time frame. So target from here in the smaller time frame, this candle retest this resistance area for further upside. So here is the example, live example of it, ranging market example in the smaller time frame. You can see here. Here is the retracement in this candle done of this retracement. Here is the breakout happen. Breakout happen in this candle. Retest this candle to the down. Retest the resistance area for further upside movement. When price does not create a high, new high and new low bit and running between support and resistance extension for 2 or 3 times at least, this can happen as opposite in the bullish and bearish trend. We would like to trade when the price breaks above this retail above this area, retails the structure for a long, and if break market below this area, if market below the area retest the support for short the market. So here is the USD CHF chart. The market is in the range and live example of it. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe guys. Thank you.